Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at some trades I made um, on Tuesday, the 21st of December. So in the left side, we have the 30 minutes chart. Um, you see that in this area here, there is a bullish bullish movement. Um, all the moving averages are stacking to the upside, so they are above the 50 simple moving average, but also they are below the 200 moving average right here. So when the market did this move and touch the 50, we could say that it was going to bounce, especially because how the market was behaving before. So let me open this a little bit. So you see here that right there in the on the 16th, we did have a high. Let me make a channel right here so we can see the change of trend right there. So in this area right here, also where it crosses the Darvas line, went to the upside. Still in here, we do have a price action that it's within the Ichimoku cloud. So trying to get out of there, but then came back, then made a lower low here, made a lower high. So we're still in congestion, and then in here it started to move up. I was a little bit too hurry in entering this trade, these trades, but so that is what we are going to see. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, we're right there on the 21st. Let me expand this a little bit to be able to see it better. So so in here, I didn't make any trades in the morning. I may have, so because I go in to and open the application by 7 a.m., something like that. So I was in the market right there. There was some congestion. It was moving up, down, up, down. So a lot of congestion in this area. Tried to decide if it was going to go to the upside or not. My initial my sentiment was that or my bias was to the upside and at this point, but it was moving sideways, so I was not doing anything. Then the market opened actually at 9:30 right here, went down, then up, so still in congestion, and then made a move to the downside. I didn't take any trade there since and since my bias was to the upside, then I decided to enter right there in the in at this point right here. So there was a congestion area there. Still, now we are below the moving averages in the 30 days. So you see it right there in this area. So you see, I entered in this break. So we do have a Darvas there, and then this high on this box was actually um, um, there was a kind of like double top with bias to the upside. So when I saw this, then I decided to enter, and this was good for two targets. So the first target is $125, and the second target was 250. So for $375. So that's the first trade. And this the second trade was right here. So the market came down a little bit more. I was since we were close to the 50, I was not feeling that we would that I would take any short trades. The market could have reversed, but we are still in the 30 minutes. We are still above the Ichimoku cloud. Now, what happened here is that there was some congestion, and I was expecting this the price to go above this this high here, and then we were all this you know, the price was moving above the moving averages, and the moving average going back. So I tried 3 times actually to enter, and then the fourth time is when the market moved. So I entered here, I was stopped. Second entry right there, I was stopped again. And then the third entry, I was, the first one met target and the second one reverse. And then the one that I should have entered is this one here, but I didn't. So the final result on this mess right here and this congestion was that I lost $375. So that would take my initial 375 made right here. So I was back at zero. Now the market kept moving up. There was another entry up here, but if you see, the MACDs were moving down. So I was not feeling confident. It was a little bit overextended, so I was not feeling confident to enter this one. Then, so this is a 18 EMA bounce. So I was not feeling really confident to enter that one. Then the market moved and made a 34 EMA bounce right there, and then moved up, then went down, and then was breaking this new Darvas made on this up and down price action right here. So I enter in the break right there at 45.97.75 for 2 targets. So the first target is 125. The second target was 125, and the second target was 250, so 375. Now the price kept moving up. So you see that above us we do have in the 30 minutes we do have the 200, and then it was you know, kept moving up. So this one would be a nice runner, but I was targeting the 2 contracts and the 2 targets only. So that is 375. Now I'm back at 375. And then the market, you know, met that price, and then came back down, bounced again in the 30 in the 34 EMA, went up, made a bounce in the out of the cloud right there, but then it broke this high and continued moving up. So I entered right there at 46.11.50, and then that was good for another $375. And this one was just when the market was supposedly was slow because at lunchtime. So there's a pause right here at 12, even a little bit before 11:30. So yes, so 375. So that 375 plus the 375, it's 750. So that is the end of the day for me. In the afternoon, I didn't trade anything. So you see in the left corner that the price was already a little bit extended. You see the MACD, it's actually really high already, and then probably not a good idea to enter. You never know, but with 750, I was already done with this market. So yeah, those are the trades for December 31st, Tuesday. Thank you for watching.